What's up guys? So today I am going to be reviewing and opening and unboxing the new Feelworld Masters 5-inch display. So I've been searching on and off the market for a monitor for my DSLR to do some video work and stuff. I've been looking at the Focus HD and the price and thinking, is it really worth what the money is? I've looked at some Feelworld, some Andy Cine's and some other ones too, and just last week when I was going to go and buy, I think it was the Andy Cine A6, Feelworld brought out their new monitor where they've got 4 monitors out, and I've gone for the 5-inch display. So I'm going to open it up and have a look. So this is the main box. It's actually quite a nice box. Instruction manual. This is really nice. That's literally the box, that's the packaging. This is the actual Feelworld Masters bag. It's got a little clip and a little belt bit, so you put it through a bag or whatever. Really nice. Open it up. So then we've got, I believe that's the sun shield. We've got the arm, which is what they're great about, and then we've got the 2 leads, which one's a HDMI to something and the HDMI to micro. Probably the micro is what I'll use, and then obviously the actual thing here, and it is only 5 inches. It's actually really nice. Check it out, and it's really light. This is not heavy at all. I think my phone, my iPhone is heavier than this. I wouldn't want to drop it too many times, but then I'm quite cautious with my stuff. It's super nice. We've got, obviously, people would say in and out of HDMI, really good because you get an out so you can bypass it somewhere else. You've got DC in, so you can power the monitor from in the wall, and you've also got a DC out, which you can power your camera from the battery in the back of this. USB upgrade and a headphone jack, and then you've got your function buttons, on and off button, which is good because some monitors don't. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Let's open up the arm. See, that's a nice sturdy metal arm, which is what I like. I watched a video about this the other day, and there was a guy who said about one thing you're going to lose is this washer, so you just got to be careful with that. That's got to sit on. Right, so it doesn't come with any batteries. So if you want, this is like a replica of the Sony batteries. Obviously I shoot with Nikon, I don't shoot with Canon, so I don't have any Canon batteries. And I spoke to the guy who sells these, and he said that this is a good one to go for, third party. It's called Rav Power. I'll link everything below. And this literally slots in like so, and we're on. Battery doesn't slide out. I think the release plate does it, so if you hit that down, battery can come out. That's pretty awesome. Cool, so let's got a little light come on here to say that the battery's in. Monitor's come on, that is super bright already. Right, let's go and get a camera. Right, cool, so we've got a camera here. Let's open up the... Sweet, that's in. That looks so awesome right now. So cool. No way. That is so cool. That is really nice. So if we go up to menu, oh, that's really easy. We've got arrows and stuff. We've got 9 grids, save frames, image flip. So I really want to use, I bought this mainly to use it with focus pinking. So I need to work out how to get focus pinking power on. Now this is on auto. I didn't realise this, but actually I don't want that on auto. I want that on manual. Otherwise, as soon as you put a battery in, then it's going to come on. I don't want that. I want it to be, I have to power it on. As you can see, I mean, you can't really see it as clear as I can see it, but the screen, I kept thinking 5 inches is going to be quite small, but actually it's not. It's the perfect. It doesn't add that much weight to the camera. I don't want to hold it all day every day, but you know, it doesn't add that much. And if I've got it on my tripod or anything like that, then it should be fine. But see, I've got different menus at the top, so I'll put on my this one. So that's now put on focus pinking, but obviously I haven't got much of a shallow depth field, so I do need that. So we'll try that out. All in all, guys, it seems to be a really good monitor. I can't wait to use it. Yeah, it's really good, really good. I recommend it. I'll put the link of the one that I've bought in the description below, and also for the batteries, because I got 2 batteries and a charger for £30 off Amazon, so you can check that out as well. That's pretty good. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. You can watch out for my latest videos, which will be released on a Sunday, for Speed Edit Sundays, which will be lots of different things every Sunday, so be sure to watch out for that. Yeah, and I'll see you soon.